With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question here says read the following statements. The statement number A here is that the action potential propagates along the neuronal membrane. So let's first see the conduction of impulse. So here we see that when a nerve is in the resting state, it is not conducting any impulse, then there are more number of negatively charged proteins on the inner side, that is in the exoplasm. There is more potassium ions inside. There are more sodium ions outside. The sodium potassium pump is working to keep this gradient. That is, now on the inner side of the membrane there is negative charge as compared to the outer side, which is positively charged. The sodium channels in this case are closed. Remember, the sodium channels are closed, but sodium pump is working, and this sodium potassium pump is transporting 3 sodium outside in exchange of 2 potassium, which it gets inside the exoplasm. So this is maintaining a gradient which is called as a resting membrane potential, and this is approximately minus 70 millivolt. But once the impulse arrives at a site, now the sodium channels will open. There will be rush of sodium onto the inner side, making the inner side of the membrane as a positive charge, whereas outer side now becomes a negative. Now the potential difference across the membrane is called as action potential, which is plus 30 millivolt. So after this, the nerve fiber will again get repolarized and restore its state by closing the sodium channels. So in repolarization, again there will be negative charge on the inner side and the positive charge on the outer side, restoring the potential difference of minus 70 millivolt again with the help of sodium potassium pump. So let's see the statements here. The first says action potential propagates along neuronal membrane. This statement number A is the correct statement. Second statement says that the repolarization decreases the responsiveness of the neuronal membrane to further stimulus. Remember, once the nerve is repolarized, it is again getting that potential to respond to a new stimulus. So this statement, that is statement number B, is wrong here. The third statement says that at resting stage, neuronal membrane is negatively charged on the inside and positively charged on the outside. This we have seen that this is a statement here is a correct statement, and this negative charge on the inner side is because of the negatively charged proteins and more potassium ions inside, while there are more sodium ions outside, which is maintained by the potassium pump here. So statement number C is also correct, while statement number D says that for every 2 sodium ions outside transported, there will be 3 potassium ions from outside to inside. So here this is a wrong statement which is given here. So here it should be the 3 sodium ions are transported from the exoplasm towards the outside, whereas in exchange there will be 2 potassium ions which are transported in the exoplasm. So statement number D is also wrong. So here we see that A and C are correct, so we can mark option number 2 as the right answer for this question, because 2 statements, that is statement A and statement C, are correct statement. This is all about this query. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.